The significance of hearing protection in the construction industry. Introduction. The construction industry, characterized by its relentless pursuit of progress and development, plays a pivotal role in shaping the modern world. Amid the clangor of heavy machinery and the rhythmic symphony of construction activities, one often overlooked aspect is the protection of workers' hearing. Hearing protection in construction is not merely a regulatory obligation, but a fundamental requirement for ensuring the health, safety, and well-being of workers. This comprehensive video delves into the multifaceted importance of hearing protection in the construction industry, addressing potential risks, regulatory measures, health implications, productivity considerations, and the broader impact on the workforce, occupational hazards, and noise levels. Construction sites are inherently noisy environments where a multitude of activities converge, generating a cacophony of sounds that can far exceed safe thresholds. The relentless operation of heavy machinery, the persistent hum of power tools, and the intermittent bursts of construction activities collectively contribute to elevated noise levels. Understanding the occupational hazards associated with these high noise levels is crucial for implementing effective hearing protection measures. Sources of noise in construction. Heavy machinery. The backbone of construction. Heavy machinery such as excavators, bulldozers, cranes, and pile drivers produce continuous and intense noise levels. Power tools. Construction sites are alive with the sounds of power tools. Jackhammers, circular saws, drills that emit high-frequency noise during operation. Construction activities. Beyond machinery and tools, the very act of construction itself, including the movement of materials, welding, and structural assembly, contributes to the overall noise profile. Identifying high-risk areas. Understanding where the highest noise levels are concentrated is crucial for targeted hearing protection strategies. Certain tasks or areas of a construction site may present greater risks due to increased noise intensity. By identifying and categorizing these high-risk areas, employers can tailor their approach to hearing protection. Health implications of noise exposure. Prolonged exposure to high noise levels poses significant risks to the auditory and overall health of construction workers. Noise-induced hearing loss, NIHL, is a gradual and irreversible condition resulting from damage to the delicate structures of the inner ear. However, the health implications of noise exposure extend beyond auditory concerns. Noise-induced hearing loss, NIHL. Mechanism of NIHL. Exposure to loud noises damages the hair cells in the inner ear, leading to a gradual loss of hearing sensitivity. This damage accumulates over time and is often irreversible. Cumulative effects. NIHL is cumulative, meaning that the more time a worker spends in a high-noise environment, the greater the risk of hearing impairment beyond auditory health. Stress and fatigue. Constant exposure to loud noises triggers the body's stress response, leading to increased levels of stress hormones. This chronic stress contributes to fatigue, affecting workers' overall well-being and productivity. Cognitive impact. Noise-induced stress and fatigue can impair cognitive functions such as concentration, memory, and decision-making. This has implications for the overall safety and quality of work on construction sites. Cardiovascular health. Studies have shown a correlation between chronic exposure to loud noises and an increased risk of cardiovascular issues, including hypertension and other heart-related problems. Regulatory standards and compliance. Recognizing the inherent risks associated with noise exposure in the workplace, governments and regulatory bodies worldwide have established stringent standards and guidelines to govern occupational safety, including those related to noise. Compliance with these regulations is not only a legal obligation, but a moral responsibility for employers. Legal frameworks. Occupational Safety and Health Administration, OSHA. In the United States, OSHA sets standards for occupational noise exposure, requiring employers to implement a hearing conservation program when noise levels reach certain thresholds. European Union standards. In the European Union, the Noise at Work Directive establishes exposure limit values and requires employers to assess and, if necessary, mitigate risks related to noise in the workplace. Hearing protection measures. Providing personal protective equipment, PPE. Employers are required to provide workers with suitable hearing protection devices such as earplugs or earmuffs and ensure their proper usage. Engineering controls. Beyond PPE, employers are encouraged to implement engineering controls to reduce noise at the source, such as modifying or replacing equipment. using barriers or implementing quieter technologies. Monitoring and testing. Regular monitoring of noise levels and periodic audiometric testing of workers are essential components of a comprehensive hearing conservation program. Economic implications of non-compliance. Non-compliance with regulatory standards not only poses risks to workers' health, but can also have significant economic consequences for construction companies. Fines, legal actions, and increased insurance costs are potential ramifications of failing to adhere to established safety guidelines. Thus, the economic argument further underscores the importance of hearing protection measures, enhancing workplace productivity. Investing in hearing protection measures goes beyond compliance with regulations. It is a strategic decision that directly impacts workplace productivity. The auditory environment on a construction site can significantly influence the efficiency, concentration, and overall performance of the workforce. Communication challenges. Reduced verbal communication. High noise levels can impede verbal communication between workers, leading to misunderstandings, errors, and potentially hazardous situations. Radio and intercom interference. Communication through radios and intercom systems becomes challenging in noisy environments, hindering coordination and response to changes in construction plans. Mental and physical toll. Fatigue and concentration. Workers exposed to constant loud noises may experience increased fatigue due to the body's stress response. Fatigue, in turn, affects concentration, leading to a higher likelihood of accidents or mistakes. Sleep disturbances. Noise exposure during working hours can extend its impact into workers' personal lives, causing sleep disturbances that further contribute to fatigue and reduced cognitive function. Efficiency and error reduction, focused work environment. Implementing hearing protection measures creates a focused and controlled work environment, allowing workers to concentrate on their tasks without the distractions of excessive noise. Error reduction. Reduce stress. Improved concentration and enhanced communication contribute to a work environment where errors and accidents are less likely to occur. Long-term benefits. Worker retention. A commitment to the well-being of workers, including hearing protection measures, can contribute to higher job satisfaction and, consequently, improved worker retention. Positive company image. Companies that prioritize the health and safety of their workforce project a positive image, not only to regulatory bodies, but also to potential clients and partners, enhancing their reputation in the industry. Education and awareness. The effectiveness of hearing protection measures is heightened when accompanied by comprehensive education and awareness programs. Workers need to be informed not only about the risks associated with noise exposure, but also about the importance of proper usage of hearing protection devices. Training programs. Risk awareness. Workers should be educated about the risks of noise exposure, the potential consequences of NIHL, and the cumulative nature of the condition. Proper usage of PPP. Training programs should emphasize the correct usage of hearing protection devices, including the importance of a proper fit and regular maintenance. Fostering a safety culture. Communication channels. Establishing open communication channels where workers feel comfortable reporting concerns about noise exposure fosters a culture of safety. Leadership example. Leadership plays a crucial role in setting the tone for a safety culture. When leaders prioritize and actively participate in safety measures, workers are more likely to follow suit. Holistic health and safety. Integrated approach. Hearing protection should be part of a broader health and safety program that addresses various aspects of well-being, including mental health, ergonomics, and overall physical safety. Regular updates and refresher courses. As technology and best practices evolve, workers should receive regular updates and refresher courses to stay informed about the latest developments in hearing protection. Conclusion. Hearing protection in the construction industry is not merely a compliance issue. It is a fundamental aspect of creating a safe, healthy, and productive work environment. The occupational hazards posed by high noise levels on construction sites are well documented, and the consequences of neglecting hearing protection measures can be severe, affecting both auditory and overall health. Regulatory standards and guidelines serve as a foundation for ensuring workplace safety, and compliance with these standards is not just a legal obligation, but a moral responsibility for employers. The economic implications of non-compliance, including fines, legal actions, and increased insurance costs, underscore the financial prudence of investing in hearing protection measures. Enhancing workplace productivity is a strategic imperative, and the auditory environment plays a crucial role in this equation. Communication challenges, the mental and physical toll of constant noise, and the potential for errors and accidents are all factors that can be mitigated through the implementation of effective hearing protection measures. Education and awareness are integral components of a holistic approach to hearing protection. Training programs, risk awareness initiatives, and the fostering of a safety culture contribute to the sustained well-being of the workforce. As the construction industry continues to shape the landscapes of our societies, the importance of safeguarding the hearing of its workforce should remain at the forefront of occupational health and safety considerations. The commitment to hearing protection is not just an investment in compliance. It is an investment in the longevity and success of the industry, reflecting a genuine commitment to the health, safety, and prosperity of the individuals who build our world. If you have a safety topic you would like covered, let me know in the comments. Be sure to like and subscribe. Stay safe.